Active recommendations for tables, columns, and other items for easy queries creations and a variety of other features. 2. Object Explorer. The Object Explorer shows the database objects contained on the server in a tree format. For quick reference, this section lists all of the databases, security, and server objects. We can see each object's components by simply pressing the plus icon to the left of the object to expand it. 3. Databases Selection Dropdown. It is a drop-down option that allows the user to choose the database to run our queries. 4. Execute Button. It is an execution button that allows the user to execute the query and return the results. 5. Cancel Executing Query. It is a button that is used to stop the execution of the query. 6. Parse. It is a button used to validate the query's syntax but doesn't check the database objects. 7. Changing Query Result Destination. This button group allows us to set the query results destination. There are 3. Results to grid, results to text, results to file. 8. Comment/uncomment out the selected lines. These buttons allow us to comment or uncomment the lines of code we have chosen.